25 sentences using the word by.
She walked by the river every morning. The book was written by a famous author.
He stood by the window, watching the rain.
The keys are by the door.
They traveled by train across the country.
She completed the assignment by herself.
By the time we arrived, the event had already started.
The house was built by his grandfather.
He swore by his favorite brand of coffee.
She lives by the beach.
The letter was delivered by the postman.
He was standing by when the accident happened.
The deadline is approaching by the end of the week. She passed by without saying a word.
He solved the problem by using a different method.
By working hard, she achieved her goals.
The painting was admired by many visitors.
She saved money by shopping during sales.
The store is open by appointment only.
They were guided by the tour leader.
By the light of the moon, they found their way home.
She learned to cook by watching videos online.
The car drove by at a high speed.
He improved his skills by practicing daily.
The picnic was ruined by the unexpected rain.